Hello my friends, welcome back to my caliente kitchen. Today we're making my bourbon maple chicken with vegetable skillet. This recipe is packed with flavor and makes for a perfect wholesome meal. Now let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have bourbon maple for sweetness, fresh veggies for crunch, and tender chicken breast for protein. First, whisk together the bourbon maple syrup, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and chicken broth to make the marinade. Pour half of the marinade over the chicken strips and mix well. I love using storage bags in order for the flavors to be evenly distributed. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Longer is even better for maximum flavor. Now, preheat your air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit and cook the chicken strips for 14 minutes, flipping halfway. They'll come out perfectly juicy and golden. While the chicken is cooking, heat up olive oil in a skillet. Sauté onions, garlic, and bell pepper. Then add the carrots, zucchini, spinach, peas, and basil. Pour in the remaining marinade into the skillet. Stir and cover the skillet. Let the veggies cook for 3 to 4 minutes until tender yet crisp. Now, toss the air-fried chicken into the skillet. Mix everything together and cook for an additional 1 minute to 2. And there it is. Sweet, savory bourbon maple chicken with vibrant veggies. Serve it over black or red rice for a stunning and delicious meal. I highly recommend you make this dish because it's easy, nutritious, and delicious. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment if you make this dish and let me know what you think. Now, thank you for watching, and of course, always stop dieting, start living.